Hi guys, welcome back to Queenvarieties channel. In today's episode, you will learn how to make an oven baked chicken and potatoes recipe. This recipe is so juicy and so moist and so soft, super delicious, tasty and so incredible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get instant notifications whenever I upload new videos. Feel free to share this video with your friends, loved ones, or anybody you want to share it with. On the screen, I have written out all the ingredients used for marinating this chicken. Please check the description section for full items used for this recipe. I hope you all understood the steps for the marination process. So what I'm going to do right now is to transfer these ingredients to my fridge and allow it to sit there overnight. Also go ahead and allow it to sit for like 1 hour at least for the minimum before you begin cooking. What I'm going to do now is to dice the potatoes into 4 segments. So here I have the chopped potatoes, and here I have the vegetables. Let me bring this closer. This is a combination of green, red and yellow bell peppers. I also have some white and purple onions. Here I have some tomatoes. I'm using only 1 tomato, which I have chopped into large portions, and also gone ahead to remove the seeds. And here I have some fresh basil. It's going to infuse some enormous flavor to this recipe. I'll pour all the vegetables together with the potatoes. Right now I have all the vegetables inside this bowl. What I'm going to do now is to drizzle in some quantity of olive oil. That should be about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil for the quantity I have here. I will also sprinkle in some quantity of paprika. I also toss in some black pepper and white pepper. That's all I'm going to add here, guys. Hands are already washed. I'll use my hands and then combine everything effectively. I almost forgot to add some salt, so I'm going to sprinkle in some salt. So once again, combine all these ingredients very well, guys. Having completed that step, what I will do now is to pour in all the vegetables that we just mixed inside this oven bowl. And guys, this is how the chicken is looking. It's completely marinated because we've been marinating this since last night. Remember I told you you can also marinate it for 1 hour. At this point in time, this is what we are having here, guys. Everything is perfectly ready. So I'm going to transfer these ingredients to my oven and then begin the baking process. I have the tilapia recipe here along with the vegetables. That is because my husband does not eat chicken, so my kids and myself will be having this one while my husband is going to deal with this one here. So 30 minutes time, this is the appearance we are having right now. What I'm going to do is to twist this bowl upside down so that it's going to bake evenly. So before that, I'm going to use foil paper and foil this, and then increase my oven from 150 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees, so that it's going to bake for the next extra 30 minutes. One hour 20 minutes later, guys, this is the final outcome of the recipe, looking so yummy and so delicious. Guys, this kitchen smells so amazing. I mean, incredibly amazing. In fact, I feel like eating this tilapia. Look at how gorgeous this tilapia is looking, guys. I grilled it for 1 hour 20 good minutes because the sizes of the chicken is so big. I mean, it's so heavy, so it took a long time to get ready. So this is the final outcome. In a very special way, I want to thank you so much for joining me in today's episode. I really hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. If you have, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get instant notifications whenever I upload new videos. Feel free to share this video with your friends, loved ones, or anybody you want to share it with. Until I come your way next time, bye bye.